In this video, I will be comparing Figma, Make, and FlutterFlow to help you decide which tool is best for your next project. Let's get started. I'm starting here on the Vibe Coding Comparison page, where we can see a head-to-head breakdown of Figma Make versus FlutterFlow. Right away, we can see the quick comparison table highlighting key features like agentic autonomous modes and code autocomplete. I'm scrolling down to see the quick verdict, which shows FlutterFlow winning 2 out of 4 main categories. As I move into the AI and coding features, I'm looking at how both tools handle modern development needs. Figma Make is built around prompt to UI generation, allowing me to describe an app idea in text and receive a complete layout with components. It's excellent for those who want to move from an idea to a visual design quickly. On the other hand, FlutterFlow focuses on a visual drag-and-drop builder that generates clean, exportable Flutter and Dart code. While Figma helps me visualize, FlutterFlow is designed to get me to a working app without being locked into a specific platform. Now, I'm checking the Platform and Access section. Figma Make operates primarily as a browser-based tool, making it highly accessible from anywhere. FlutterFlow also runs in the browser but offers more robust built-in deployment and Git integration. If I need a tool that handles the transition from design to a live app seamlessly, FlutterFlow's integration with GitHub and its deployment features give it a significant edge for actual production. Next, I'm looking at pricing and cost. Figma Make offers a limited free trial, with professional plans starting around $15 per user. FlutterFlow has a more flexible entry point, offering a free tier for up to 2 projects, though it requires a subscription for code export. For those needing advanced features or heavy AI usage, both tools offer enterprise-level pricing. It's important to note that Figma uses a credit-based system for its AI features, while FlutterFlow's pricing is more structured around project limits and deployment capabilities. In the Experience and Reviews section, I can see that Figma Make is generally more beginner-friendly for designers, while FlutterFlow is the go-to for no-code builders and mobile app developers. Figma excels in the design-to-code workflow, whereas FlutterFlow shines when the goal is a cross-platform output for iOS, Android, and the web from a single codebase. I'm now scrolling through the What to Do Next section, which suggests trying FlutterFlow for free if I'm ready to start building. There are also related comparisons for tools like Replit and Netlify. Looking at the who should choose each tool criteria, I would choose Figma Make if I'm focused on design-to-code projects, prototyping, or need a context-aware design tool that integrates with my existing Figma components. I would choose FlutterFlow if I am working on mobile-first projects and need a visual builder that generates production-ready code with Firebase or Supabase integrations. In summary, both tools are powerful AI-assisted platforms. Figma Make is a design-centric powerhouse that simplifies the UI creation process, while FlutterFlow is a comprehensive development environment for those who want to build and deploy functional apps quickly. My final verdict is that if you are a designer looking to bridge the gap to development, Figma Make is your best bet. However, if you are a developer or a creator who wants to launch a fully functional app without writing all the code manually, FlutterFlow is the clear winner for its end-to-end deployment capabilities. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.